Here are 10 creepy discoveries made during home renovations. 1. Hidden room with chains and scratches. During a renovation, a homeowner discovered a small, sealed room behind a wall. Inside were chains mounted to the wall and deep scratch marks on the interior. Some speculated it might have been used for confinement, human or otherwise. 2. Human remains buried under the floorboards. In several reported cases, especially in older homes, renovators found skeletal remains hidden beneath floorboards or buried in the basement. Some were linked to historic crimes or unmarked graves from centuries past. 3. Creepy dolls in the walls. A family renovating their house pulled out a section of drywall and discovered a small, hand-sewn doll with a note claiming it had killed the previous owners. Though likely a prank, the craftsmanship and message were undeniably disturbing. 4. A time capsule with sinister messages. A couple found a time capsule inside their wall that included newspaper clippings about murders, cryptic notes, and a lock of hair. The intent was unclear: a prank, an art piece, or something darker. 5. Ritualistic symbols and animal bones. Behind the basement walls of a 19th century home, renovators found piles of animal bones, candles, and symbols etched into stone, suggesting some kind of occult ritual had taken place there. 6. A mirror that looked into another room. One couple discovered what they thought was a normal mirror on their wall. Upon removal, they realized it was actually a two-way mirror looking into a hidden room with a chair and cameras set up inside. Authorities were contacted. 7. A secret bunker with gas masks and rations. While renovating a backyard, homeowners found a buried underground bunker from the Cold War era still stocked with decades-old supplies, gas masks, and weapons. The eerie part? It had evidence that someone had used it recently. 8. Blood-stained walls and hidden messages. After stripping wallpaper, one family found red stains underneath, along with messages like, "Help me," and "Don't trust him," scrawled directly onto the wallboards. Some were written in reverse, only visible in a mirror. 9. Coffin in the crawl space. In New Orleans, a family discovered a sealed child-sized coffin in their crawl space during foundation work. It was later determined to be over 100 years old, likely moved during flooding or past renovations. 10. Puppets hanging from the ceiling. In a Victorian-era attic, a homeowner found a row of handmade marionette puppets suspended from the rafters with twine. The figures had unsettling expressions and no one could explain their origin. Each of these chilling finds serves as a reminder that every home has a story, some more spine-tingling than others. As you embark on your next renovation, keep an eye out. Who knows what shadows of the past might surface?